hit him in the butt. You can put up with that? Yeah? Eating the cheese. You're eating the cheese out of her food. Monkey, don't eat her cheese. Yeah, don't let him eat your cheese. Come on. Don't let him eat your cheese. Yeah. Get him. Get him. He's eating all your cheese. Excuse me. You don't even care, do you? Why didn't he go eat his cheese? He's got his cheese over there.
That's not her cheese.
Yeah. She don't care. She's going to sleep. Monkey, you're mean. Monkey butt. Monkey butt. Monkey butt. Okay, fine, then. Then now, you know our cheese.